This short video will show you how to build a composite door quotation using the online portal from Sliders UK. Log in to your ultimate composite door collection portal. Go to the sub-menu listed on the right and click on Create Quote. Choose your preferred profile and, if you required, side, flags or top lights, composite side panels, either coupled or welded. Choose either left or right hinged. All images are externally viewed. First, input your required measurements. These can be placed within the Options page or at the top and side of the door image. Name the location of the project manually or choose from the options list. Customize the product. Options in grey are default. Please check these default options are as you require. All options in red must be completed to continue to the next section. A pop-up window will notify you if one of your choices isn't compatible with other options you have chosen. A default option, often the first in the list of options, will be chosen for you. Check and choose from the available options. For this instance, the available obscure glass options for this door style. If you require bar handles, you must choose stainless steel under hardware colour, and then either the Heritage or Contemporary Auto Lock in the lock section. Otherwise, the bar handle options will not appear in the handle options. If you are unsure which glass or hardware options are available for specific door styles, please refer to the Ultimate Composite Door Collection brochure or email our composite door team at sales@sliders-uk.com. Below the door image, choose to view your door from the external or internal. When you have completed customizing your door, no sections remain in red and you are satisfied all is correct, save to quote and add your desired reference. This section provides an overview of your quote, the product cost from Sliders UK, and your selling price, which includes your pre-entered percentage markup. You can override your selling price in the Re-Quote Customer tab and enter manually a set figure. This figure will also appear on your customer quote. Any specific notes you wish to add for your customer-facing documents, internal staff, or to Sliders UK, these can be entered in these sections. Confirm your order. This will then become pending and subject to your customer's final sign-off and a completed site survey. A pending order will not inform Sliders UK to begin manufacturing. Once you are ready to confirm and place your order with Sliders UK, go to the quote, make any final amendments or adjustments, fully check all is as you require and enter the delivery details. Once fully satisfied, click on Charge to Account with Sliders UK Limited, and your order will now change from pending to placed. Your order will now be processed and plotted for manufacturing.